Greetings and small talk.
Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning, Alex. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I did. I went to bed early. How about you?
I slept late. I was watching a movie.
Oh, really? Which movie did you watch?
I watched Toy Story. It was fun.
That's a good one. Do you have any plans for today?
Not really. I'm just going to the grocery store.
Nice. I also need to buy some milk. Maybe I'll see you there.
Sure. Have a great day, Alex.
You too, Lisa. Bye.
Talking about the weather. Hi, John. Nice to see you.
Hi, Emma. Nice to see you too.
It's so sunny today.
Yes, the weather is beautiful. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yesterday it was raining all day.
I know. I had to stay at home.
Do you like rainy days?
Sometimes, but I prefer sunny days.
Same here. Sunny days make me feel happy.
Do you think it will rain tomorrow?
I don't think so. The sky looks clear.
That's good. I want to go for a walk tomorrow.
That sounds nice. Enjoy your walk.
Thank you, Emma. See you later.
Bye, John. Shopping at a store.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt.
What size do you wear?
Medium.
Here are some t-shirts. Do you like this one?
Oh yes, it's nice. How much is it?
It's $15.
Okay, I'll take it.
Great. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all.
Cash or card?
Card, please.
Here you go. Thank you for shopping.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Sunny Diner. May I take your order?
Hi, yes, I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
Sure. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, a small fries, please.
And what would you like to drink?
I'll have a Coke.
Anything else?
No, that's all, thank you.
Great. Your order will be ready soon. Here is your cheeseburger, fries, and Coke. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
How was your meal?
It was delicious. The burger was very tasty.
I'm glad you liked it. Here's your check.
Thank you. Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the train station.
The train station. It's not far. Go straight, then turn left.
Go straight and then turn left. Got it.
Yes. You'll see the station on your right.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
Thanks again. Bye.